Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating if it's unavailable. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you meet all of the requirements that basically allow you to do Facebook dating or get a profile. You can see on here, to access Facebook dating, you need to be at least 18 or older, have a Facebook in good standing for 30 days, live in a country where Facebook dating is available. I'll show you how to check your birthday, but first, let's check these countries. Make sure that you live in one of these countries. So I'm going to scroll through these list and make sure this country is the country that you're in. In my case, United States, so I'm good to go in that regard. But let's hop out of here and open up Facebook, and I'm just going to go back home. From here, I'm going to check a couple different things in the settings of my Facebook that make sure that I'm allowed to do Facebook dating. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right, or it might be at the top right there. After you've done that, we're going to scroll down until we get to Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then tap on Settings at the very top. After you've done that, let's hit the See More in Account Center. And from here, you can see Personal Details. Just tap on that and check your birthday on here. Again, you need to be 18 plus to be able to be eligible for Facebook dating. So make sure that's the correct birthday and that you're 18 plus. After you've done that, let's also go back and make sure there's no issues with your account. So go back to this screen in the menu, and we're going to instead open up Help and Support. And then after we've done that, we're going to open up Support. At the very top, we're going to tap on your profile and make sure there's no issues with the community guidelines on your account. If you do see that there are any violations or issues that could prevent you from using Facebook dating. So if there are, you might want to appeal those. The next thing we will do is make sure that your device is all set up to use Facebook dating. So open up the Settings app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And the first thing I would recommend doing is we're going to scroll down, tap on General, and then scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Keep in mind, if you have a VPN turned on, this could cause issues with Facebook dating because it thinks you're in a different location. So instead of in the United States, it could be routing you through a server in a different country that is not eligible for Facebook dating. So if that's the case, just turn that off. The next thing we will do is go back out of here. And we're going to scroll down to Apps and tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down until we find Facebook. There it is. Now on here, a lot of times I would recommend turning on location services while you use the app, essentially allowing Facebook to track your location while you're in the app, indicating that you are in an area where Facebook dating is eligible. After you've done that, let's open up the Facebook app here. And if you don't see Facebook dating at the very bottom, you can always get it back by tapping on the menu button again. And then from here, you can see all of these shortcuts. You might have to hit See More. If it says See Less, just tap on that See More. And there is Facebook dating. I can open it up and access it that way. If you still don't see it there, you can always add it to the pin bar at the very bottom. And you can do that just by scrolling down until you get to Settings and Privacy, and then tapping on Settings. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down, and you can see here Tab Bar. Just tap on Tab Bar, and then choose Customize the Bar. Now keep in mind, all of these won't necessarily show dating. In my case, it does not show Facebook dating, but if yours shows Facebook dating either as hidden or auto, you can just tap on it and switch it to pin, essentially allowing it to always be at the very bottom of your Facebook app. If that still doesn't work for you, it's still unavailable. The next thing that you can do that definitely gets that fixed is go back into the settings. We're going to go back to the very beginning of the settings. And from here, we'll tap on General. And then from here, iPhone storage. We're going to look for that Facebook app. So just scroll down until you find Facebook on this list. There it is. And we're going to offload and then reinstall this app. Essentially what this does is it force updates Facebook to the latest version, but more importantly, it clears out all the cache and temporary files. If you're on an Android phone, all you need to do is clear the storage and clear the cache. and then you're good to go. After it's done reinstalling, Facebook Dating should be back available and functional for you. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.